Did you know that nearly 50% of adults have experienced bad breath at some point in their lives? Yeah, that's right. It's more common than you might think, and it can be super embarrassing. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: bad breath. It's a common issue, but it can be a real confidence killer. Whether you're chatting with friends or going in for that big interview, bad breath can make you feel self-conscious. So, let's tackle it head-on. So, what actually causes bad breath? Well, there are a bunch of culprits. One of the biggest reasons is poor dental hygiene. If you're not brushing and flossing regularly, food particles can linger in your mouth, leading to that not-so-pleasant odor. But it doesn't stop there. Certain foods, like garlic and onions, can also leave your breath smelling less than fresh. And let's not forget about dry mouth. When your mouth isn't producing enough saliva, it can lead to a buildup of bacteria, which can make your breath smell funky. Bad breath can really affect your day-to-day interactions, making you hesitant to speak up or get close to others. It's a real bummer. Alright, let's get into some practical tips to keep your breath fresh. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.